Can you calculate 101 power 3 without using calculator? Before we start, I have a challenge for you. Try to find the shortest solution you can. If you think your method is shorter than mine, write in the comments. I will read every one of them. Most people would multiply 101 by itself 3 times. But is it really the smartest way? Not at all. Since 101 is just 100 plus 1, we can use the cube of binomial identity to make the calculation much faster. Let's see how it works. This identity say a plus b in bracket power 3 is equal to a cubed plus 3 times a square times b plus 3 times a times b square plus b cubed. Now here, instead of 101, we say 100 plus 1 and all power 3 is equal. Like this identity, assume a is 100 and b is 1. So we have 100 power 3 plus 3 times 100 square times 1 plus 3 times 100 times 1 square plus 1 power 3. And it is equal to, in here we write 1 and put 6 0 in front of this 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 3 times 1, that's 3 times 100 squared, so we write 3 and put 4 0 in front of 3 plus, in here 1 squared is 1, 1 times this is 300 and plus 1 cubed or 1. 300 plus 1 is 301 and sum of these two terms is 1 2 3 and select 3 digits from here 1 2 3, so write 301 and put 13 in back of this. Now addition of these two terms is, let's count digits 1 2 3 4 5 and here 1 2 3 4 5 and 10 remains, so we write equal to 10 and 13 and 301, and this is 1,030,301, and this is our final answer. Now it's your turn. Can you beat this solution? If you know a shorter or smarter method, prove it in the comments.